Danke bafowethu, welcome back to Nkuliso. I think ikusasa or the following day sobona isquad iKaizer Chiefs ezotravela naso ye laphana e-Egypt. Obviously-ke bajima abaningi laphana kuKaizer Chiefs bazoselect I think abantu abayi-21 ku-continental level abatravelayo njalo bo-representa i-team. Asazi ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs izochuza obani ukuthi baye ngaleni e-Egypt bo-represent iKaizer Chiefs. It's not an easy game, kuzoba nzima because asikaze sayibona le team lena yase-Egypt. So ashayina ama-predictions bafowethu ukuthi awobani basesquadini abazohamba esingaba-expecta futhi ukuthi okay potentially lo nalo bangahamba. O-goalkeeper-ke will be interesting to see ukuthi uKarabo akekho. O-goalkeeper uPeterson uyozohamba, uVuma uyozoba i-backup and then umfana ulona ubani uMokoena I don't know ukuthi uzohamba or but there's no way bahambe no-goalkeeper abawu-2 so badinga o-goalkeeper abawu-3 isikhathi esiningi so potentially-ke singabona uMokoena. UMokoena umfana waku-DDC team siyazi ukuthi utrainer ne-team seke watravela nabo eThekwini so yibo bo-goalkeeper engiba-expect-ile ukuthi bazohamba. Why? Because ulona uNtwari noMulife ngathi balimele unless if uMulife into yakhe beyingekho serious sekazokwazi ukubuya because uye i-4th goalkeeper option and then manje bekumele amuve kuleda abe-3rd option because of uNtwari une-shoulder injury. Abanye abantu esingaba-expect uNasho Miguel, uKwinika, uMcCarthy yibo i-back 3 yabo preferred laphana ku-Chiefs but uMsimang naye urecoverile bafethu asazi ukuthi bazomselecta na. Is it 21 squad or 23? I think it's 21. I think it's 21 or 23 match day squad abatravelayo beyilaphana or squad nje abazohamba naso bayilaphana eGibhita bafethu. So ku-defense obviously yilaba abadlala kahle kakhulu abayi-3 unless if kuzoba ne-switch bafake uGiven Msimango because of already unayo leyo height ibalance abanika yona laphana. Umlungu Cross obviously siyazi ukuthi udlala kahle kakhulu uzoba khona but-ke sebuyile noPaseka Mako. It's gonna be very difficult. Paseka Mako, I think uPaseka Mako uzotravela yena noCross. Umuntu engambona travel I think uShinga he won't make it to the team. Won't make it because they can't have ama-left back awu-3. There's no way baba nama-left back ayi-3 away. So kumele nje ba-minimize isquad sabo or abanye babashiye la bazoshiya abantu abaningi but-ke sobona uma bayikhipha ilist maybe kusasa or Friday ngoba bazoyikhipha ilist. Imatch yabo idlala nini? Is it Sunday? Yes. Then ku-right back khona uFoster noMunyane noSolomons. Yabona i-right back no man i-right back inzima kakhulu. Bangahamba because kumele kuhambe 2 but-ke bangababeka bobawu-3. I know it won't make sense. Kumele kuhambe 2 laphana ku-right back. So I would say Thabiso Munyane noSolomons. Frostla kusho ukuthi uyasala unless if uFrostla bayazi ukuthi bangampesha nakwenye position but kuzoba nzima kakhulu. Umuntu o-guaranteed, one of the guarantees ukuthi uzohamba umthetho Ox Mthetho because of bayayidinga aggression yakhe lapha esiswini. Midfielders-ke kuzoba interesting kakhulu because of ku-central futhi kunobantu besibheke oNdlovu, oCele, then-ke uLebohang Maboy, oNgcobo, Cheslete, oMatloku, attacking sengiyabahlanganisa nje wonke ama-midfielder, oShabalala, uVilakazi bambeke esayidini. Ubani uzohamba la? I think umthetho uzohamba, uNdlovu watravela nabo waye laphana eCongo. Possibly i-aggression yakaNdlovu bazoyidinga but bazodropa bani la? Lebohang Maboy uzohamba or ngeke uhambe but i-20-man squad isquad esikhulu bafethu but Ethan Cheslete angimboni ehamba. Ngifuna uqamba manga angimboni according to how they've obviously selected their match day squad. Ushinga Ethan Cheslete angibaboni behamba. uMatlo angimboni ehamba because last time I remember bangamselektanga nesquad abantu bebakhala ukuthi bambona emaklabhini whatever lento le bekayenza ngapha i-team isecampini but-ke yena bamnika i-day off mas. Kuma-winger kuzoba nzima kakhulu-ke kuma-winger bafethu because uvele baye uthi usiphakamisile isandla umfana already. uLilepo simbonile ejimini ukhona. Gaston Sirene experience yakhe bayidinga. uPule Modi naye ukhona. Okay siyazi okay kulama-attackers noma ama-wingers uzothatha noVilakazi simfake. Think umfana uzotravela so uVilakazi, uSirino, uLilepo, uvele baye bazotravela. Okay khona nabanye abathi I don't think mangiya laphana phambili kuma-strikers, I don't think uKhanyisa Maye uzoba khona. I don't think we'll make it to the match day squad. Sikhumbule ukuthi yes, uya-recover, usase-phase yoku-recover, se-right, but-ke last time ngibona i-Chiefs bengakabi 100%. Bombona ukuthi u-right ukujima lapho nalapho, but-ke akajimi like full training njengabanye abantu. And sibona izinto online, unless if maybe akajimanga full training last week, but this week seka-pick up-ile seka-full training, but-ke kumele a-catch up, asazi ukuthi bazo-risk-a na ukuhamba naye. I don't think they will travel with him, but-ke sobona ukuthi i-team i-decide-ani at the end of the day. I think u-Ighodaro uzotravela ne-team. USilva manje abana-chance kumele atravele ne-team. Batmane, I don't think uzotravel. UDuba, Dupreez, think uDuba uzotravela. Batmane noMorris, I don't think bazotravel. So sobona ukuthi o-coach bazoplana kanjani bafethu. Ngeke kube easy game away, cause uma uyodlala away, especially e-Africa, le team eyodlala nayo away ifuna ukukubhaxabula. So cause understand ukuthi the only chance ukuthi bakushaye then baku-create environment different, kube hostile ukuthi bakushaye uma uyodlala nabo laphana away, cause kwelakini nawe uzozama ukulwa with everything that you have. So Al Masry, they will be looking to get maximum 3 points against the Kaizer Chiefs, knowing very well that when they come to South Africa next year, kuzoba nzima kakhulu ukudlala eSouth Africa. And Kaizer Chiefs iba motivated mayidlala home. And enye into esiyibonile ithathi iZamalek, I saw this online, then I was like, okay, there's something ke manje la engiyibonayo. Ithathi iZamalek iyise ePolokwane. That's good because of iZamalek kumele ibe nama-layover, and then ibe a bit of frustrated ukuthi immediately uma ifika eSouth Africa kusamele iye le nale nale, yabo. So I think that's good for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi babayise le nale, baba-strugglise, and then bona bazofika early le ePolokwane ba-rest, and then iZamalek ibajoyine uma ibajoyina. But-ke iZamalek, because of bahlakaniphile e-Egypt, laba abadlala ku-continental level bakhansela ama-game. So ukuthi bavele sebakhansela ama-game awu-2 ukuthi lese ba-travel 4 days before i-match idlala. Bafike kuna-3 days ba-reste, bajime benzeni, and then come match day ba-well equipped, ba-fit enough. But yeah, I'm expecting ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs kulama match awu-2 ezowadlala ithole i-3 points noma ngabe eyodwa-ke bafowethu. Away e-Egypt noma bangatholi i-draw, and then e-home kumele bayishaye iZamalek, ayikho enye, kumele bayishaye kulaba bazodlala khona. iZamalek bathi bazodlala yes, iZamalek iyo le badlala nayo ePolokwane, then Al Masry le badlala nayo away. And then after lokho kuyozibuye next day CAF Confederations Cup, sengijwayele i-Champions League, CAF Confederations Cup, la i-Kaizer Chiefs efuna ukwenza i-statement khona. First starting 11 away, this will be my predicted. Sengiyivala la, ngipredict first starting 11 ze-Kaizer Chiefs. uPeterson laphana as u-goalkeeper, then emuva kumele kube nabantu abayi-2. I think bazoqalisa uInacio Miguel noKunika because of ne-experience. Then ku-left back uCross kumele aqale because udlala kahle kakhulu. uMark uzoqala from ebenchini unless if bazoshintsha i-formation. Then ku-right back kumele baqalise uThabiso Munyane, uMthethwa laphana as i-holding midfielder. Then-ke ku-central bangaqalisa uNgcobo, asithi uNgcobo then uNgcobo noShabalala ezi-attacking yakhe, and then kuma-wing kumele bazoqalisa uLilepho ngiyazi, and then-ke maybe bangamqalisa noVilakazi. Once uLilepho bafethu bazomqalisa u-guaranteed, to be honest. Once he make it to the squad bayamqalisa, and then i-striker kula complicated khona ukuthi bazoqalisa u-Ighodaro or bazoqalisa uSilva. They will continue, maybe bamenze i-super sub because of bayazi ukuthi there's something ayi-edayo mengena straight from ebenchini, something akwaziyo ukudeliver. Sekwamanje ukuba i-super sub kuyamsebenzela. Is he ready ukuthi aqale na ukulwela i-team kwabe kuma-first starting lineup? Sobona ngayo i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi yona izothini, bazoplana kanjani o-coach. But bangaqalisa noma ngabe ubani between uSilva no-Ighodaro because of yibo aba-available, like 100% available. I think uMaye uzosala, but-ke we'll see i-CAF or i-Chiefs uma bekhipha i-travelling squad. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa bafethu uku-like and subscribe, making sure ukuthi le page lifike ku-15,000 subscribers. Danko.